Hi guys, welcome again to Compulsive Buy. Today I'm going to share with you all a purchase that I did a little bit ago, but I love it so much that I just wanted to share it with you. If you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe. I usually just do reviews, unboxing from things I purchase in Amazon just because I'm such a shopaholic. So that is pretty much my channel, Compulsive Buy. Okay, so let's get into what was it that I purchased a while ago. What do you guys think? Well, I purchased this camera. I fell in love with the color, and I've seen other people use it, and it's by Fujifilms, and it is the Instax. It's the 11th version. So once again, I love the color. You pretty much are able to click this button right here to make sure the lens comes out. And then once it's out, that means the camera is on. You can see this button right here flashing. All you have to do is click on this little button and it'll take the picture. And you can see that it just took that picture. Now I usually just do this so it comes out faster. I don't know if it's actually making a difference, but yeah, I'll just do this. Or I'll just set it next over here next to this table, and then we'll look at it in a second. So I definitely love this camera. There are a few things that I'm not a fan of, and is this right here. So usually I just, it comes and it goes inside, and then I just press this button, but sometimes it actually doesn't come out all the way. So that's like a little strange. I mean, I sometimes have to pull it with my hand. And I think that could be better. It could definitely be better. I love the color, love the flash. It has a little tiny mirror here next to the lens. So if you're doing selfies like this, you can still see yourself. And I think it was a very clever idea. Now you might be wondering about how much is the paper. This paper is $20 for two of these boxes. That's at a discount price. Sometimes it's $16 for one box. So that's the price. I mean, I think it's worth it. I definitely enjoy it. I actually have a little collection of little pictures that I took with that. You can see this picture is already coming out. I think it's a little blurry, but you can see it's there. It's coming along. Now I am also going to compare it with this one right here, the Polaroid. My sister actually has this one. Price-wise, this one is a little more expensive. The paper is also a little different, but honestly, with this one, I am able to get really nice pictures. So honestly, I would definitely get this one over the Polaroid, even though the Polaroid is a little more classy and more classic actually because of the shape. But I don't know, I just love this one right here. It is a little smaller, more compact, so that's definitely a plus. I will show you up close what the camera looks like and all the way around and things like that. In the back, you can see a little window where you can change your paper. So I'll show that as well. But yeah. Here is the camera. This is going to be the lens, the button you press to take the picture, the flash, of course, and this little mirror will allow you to take selfies. This is the button you press to get the camera lens out. And here in the back, this is a lens where you could take a look at. Again, this is for the paper. And this will tell you if there's still paper left. And that's about it. So that is the product that I had for today's video. If you have any questions about it, definitely put those in the comments so that I'm able to answer your questions as best as I can. I will also include a link to to the camera. So if this is something you want, maybe you can purchase it there too. So I'll include an Amazon link. It really helps me if you use that link instead of just going to Amazon and searching for it. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I really love making these videos, and I feel like hopefully they're actually helping you not becoming a shopaholic, but they're helping you see if what you want to buy is worth it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.